What up guys? So today I worked out how to overlay a speedo on my GoPro footage. So went to Queensland Raceway the other day and I'm choosing some of the footage from that, and then we're going to work out how fast my Corolla actually drifts. The fastest speed is actually the last clip, so you guys have to stick around for that, so you're welcome. I'm going to play it now and then I'll see you guys afterwards.
I was bouncing out of my seat. I was just like, Jesus.
Yeah, how did you just try to steer? You're like, alright, where's it going to bounce up to next?
It's just...
How we going? Nice. Yeah, it's literally just like bouncing. I'm like, I have no idea where this is going to end up.
Let's just hope that I end up in the right direction.
Yeah. Definitely works really good just doing that. Wow, I need to put my window up. Got so much stuff in my eyes. Alright, so as you can see, top speed was 122 kilometers per hour while sideways. I am not sure what that converts into in miles per hour. You guys can do a Google search of that bad boy. But anyway, I'm keen to get the car more dialed and actually start hitting the track a little bit more, doing this a bit more often. And then we can work out how much faster I'm actually driving. And then we can work out what speed different tracks are like. So that will be very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you guys don't already, subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, do all that kind of stuff. Check out the website for merchandise. and I'll see you guys shortly.